Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to do a product review on the Strike King KVD Perfect Plastic, the Blade Minnow, green pumpkin and chartreuse belly. I really like these. These plastic baits, I don't necessarily like to use them by themselves, although you can, right? This is what it looks like right here. I like the fact it's got flat across the top, so I can pitch this like basically any swim bait or fluke type bait with a weedless setup. I also like the fact that we have pieces cut out of the tail here, so it's going to really give us more action in that back part of the tail. But what I really like these for, I like to accommodate my chatterbaits with these. And the way I like to do that is basically you have your chatterbait like this, and then I just add the Blade Minnow like this, like so, right, with the hook on the top essentially, and then you let the skirt hang over that, and then that tail is going to give that chatterbait way more action. All right, it's going to give it way more action. It's going to give it a bit more mass, going to make the presentation larger for the bait, and that's why I like it. So I hope this helps.